He's just sitting there.
Yeah.
Not trying to eat. He's
Yeah.
just sitting there.
Yeah.
I would think that being the animal lover he is, that he would really enjoy that.
He is enjoying
I
it.
was surprised yesterday. Grandma, no!
No, because you're not supposed to feed birds.
What?
You're not supposed to feed. You're not supposed to do this.
Well, pigeons are different.
No, pigeons are.
Pigeons are, they're scavengers, so.
I don't believe that part. You're not supposed to feed them.
Wild birds like seagulls
Yeah,
and
that
stuff.
makes sense, yeah.
Not pigeons, it's just.
Aww.
He's learning now.
Well, it was almost instant when Steve went out there.
Yeah.
I go, what are you doing?
Not perfectly good.
Yeah.
Aww. Oh.
Okay. Stop.